Hello, my friend. Welcome to tonight's sleep story. My name is Mr. Sanjeev, and tonight we are leaving the busy world behind, far away from noise, far away from stress. Tonight's story is called The Lighthouse Beyond the Sea. Before the story begins, close your eyes gently, take a slow, deep breath in, and slowly let it go. Feel your body becoming softer now, heavier now, more peaceful now. Tonight, you are completely safe. And now, our story begins. Late one quiet evening, you arrive at a small, lonely harbor beside the sea. Rain has just stopped falling. The streets shine softly beneath old yellow street lamps. Small fishing boats rock gently against the wooden docks while cold sea mist drifts slowly through the night air. Everything feels silent, peaceful, dreamlike. Far away across the dark ocean, you notice something glowing faintly in the distance. A lighthouse, tall, ancient, standing alone beside the sea cliffs. Its warm golden light slowly turns through the foggy night. You feel strangely drawn toward it. A small wooden boat waits quietly at the dock. An old man wearing a long coat smiles kindly at you. "Heading to the lighthouse?" he asks softly. You nod. Without another word, the boat slowly begins moving across the dark, peaceful water. The ocean is calm tonight. Gentle waves touch the sides of the boat softly. Above you, the clouds slowly part, revealing hundreds of stars shining over the sea. The farther you travel, the quieter the world becomes. Soon, the only sounds left are the waves, the wind, and the distant call of seabirds somewhere in the darkness. The lighthouse grows larger ahead of you. Its warm light shines through the mist like a guiding star. Finally, the boat reaches the rocky shore below the lighthouse cliffs. You step onto the stone pathway carefully. Tiny lanterns glow beside the stairs leading upward. The old lighthouse stands peacefully above the sea. Its windows glow warm orange against the cold blue night. You slowly climb the winding stone steps. The air smells like rain, salt water, and old wood. At the top, a wooden door opens quietly. Inside, everything feels warm and safe. A fire crackles softly inside a small fireplace. Old books rest upon wooden shelves. A kettle gently whistles nearby. Soft golden light fills the room. And near the window, an elderly lighthouse keeper smiles warmly at you. "I've been expecting you," he says softly. His voice feels calm, comforting, like hearing a story beside a fire during winter. He pours warm tea into a small cup and places it beside you. Outside the tall windows, the ocean stretches endlessly into darkness. The lighthouse light slowly turns above the sea, round and round, steady and peaceful. You sit quietly beside the fire while listening to the storm far away over the ocean. The lighthouse keeper opens an old book and begins reading softly. His voice blends perfectly with the sound of the waves outside. Hours pass peacefully. At some point, You notice how sleepy you've become. Your body feels warm and heavy now. The fire glows softly. Rain begins falling again outside the windows. Tiny drops